Virgo, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 14 to 20, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see. Virgo, what's coming to you? Truth be told. Uy, meron ditong, parang may mag-open up sa inyo. Pwedeng feelings, no? Can be any feeling. Pwedeng sama ng loob or pagkagusto sa inyo. Kumbaga, ipapakita niya na yung totoong nararamdaman niya. Tinanggal niya na yung maskara at inopen na niya ang kanyang heart. Ayan, ang daming mga hearts dito lumilipad. This is something na, alam mo yung feeling na masyashock ka sa sasabihin niya. So, pwedeng ikaw yung makaka-receive ng message na yan or ikaw yung magsasabi na masyashock yung iba, yung isang taong pagsasabihan mo. Someone is being true, being authentic sa nararamdaman niya. Or yung iba naman sa inyo, meron kayong matutuklasan na katotohanan sa isang tao, sa isang sitwasyon na medyo it's kind of shocking. Also have deep knowing. Yung iba sa inyo, alam nyo na to. Ito yung tipong may hinala ka na pero hindi mo siya tinatanggap pa kasi hindi ka pa sigurado. But andun na yung idea. May idea ka na dito sa malalaman mo. And confirmation na lang yan. Nung malalaman mo, nung nasabi na sa'yo. Halimbawa, meron kang nararamdaman na yung isang tao may gusto sa'yo. Nararamdaman mo. Kasi nagpaparamdam siya. Pero you're giving this person the benefit of the doubt. Na baka friendly lang. Tapos, ayun, nag-confirm. Nag-confess siya sa'yo, confirmed ang feelings. Ganon. You're also going to be very imaginative, creative this week. Marami kang mga creative ideas. You are starting to, parang nagsisimula ka ng maging seryoso sa pangarap mo. Kasi kung dati parang, sige, bahala na kung saan ka dalhin. Ngayon, nagiging malinaw sa'yo kung ano talaga yung gusto mo. 'Di ba? Kasi, let's say, for example, may kasama ka na kakain sa restaurant. Tapos, pag tinatanong mo, anong gusto niya kainin? Kahit ano. Di ba nakakainis rin yun? No? Kahit ano. Tapos, pag in-orderan mo siya, hindi pala niya gusto yung in-order mo. 'Di ba? Sabi mo, akala ko ba kahit ano. So, mas maganda pa rin na alam mo yung gusto mo. So, ngayon, mas magiging serious ka na about what you really want. I also see na parang nagkakaroon ka ng awakening dito na na-realize mo na ito pala yung landas na gusto mong tahakin. There's a realization. Your overall energy, the 9 of Pentacles. Wow. So, this is the pre-Empress energy. Ibig sabihin yan, you are very financially stable, you are resourceful, yung mga needs mo, material needs, physical needs, are all met. You have more than enough. Kung meron kang business, maganda yung takbo ng business mo, nakakapagtabi ka na ngayon, nakakapag-ipon ka na, kung may trabaho ka, maganda yung income mo, may savings ka. Your challenge is the moon. Ang challenge mo ngayon is your feelings. Kasi pwedeng mabilis kang maapektuhan ng nararamdaman mo or nagpapadala ka sa emosyon mo. Which is, somehow, pwedeng magkaroon ng hindi magandang resulta pag nagpadala tayo sa emosyon natin. Let's say, for example, masama loob mo. Hindi mo na control sarili mo. May nasabi kang hindi maganda sa isang tao na hindi mo na mababawi, nasaktan mo na siya, 'di ba? And some of you, you might feel kind of emotional this time. Pwedeng mga simpleng bagay na iiyak ka. Nagiging sensitive ka, no? Maybe there is something that you need to address sa sarili mo, yung mga emotions na hindi mo na ilalabas. It's okay to cry, you know. Kasi nga, sa TikTok na lang pag tumambay ka dyan, bigla ka na lang iiyak, tapos tatawa ka. Kasi 'di ba iba-iba yung lumalabas na videos. So, ayun, you might feel a bit sensitive. And another thing also, kasi the moon is about secrets So, meron din ditong truth be told. So, pwedeng merong secret na mabubunyag. Oo, pwedeng secret mo, secret ng person na malapit sa'yo, that might cause some challenge in your life. Let's see your opportunity. Your opportunity, Two of Swords, decision making. So I think meron ka opportunity ngayon to finally make that decision. Some of you, tinan natin kung anong decision to sa inyong creative talents and skills. Pwedeng iniisip mo kung anong ipupurso mo creatively. Fifth house, maaaring nagde-decide ka for your children, kung meron kang big decision for them. May opportunity ka na makapili ng best for your kids. And also, fifth house is about romance and dating. So, kung ikaw ay ready na makipag-date, single ka, then it's time. May opportunity ka na. Maring meron kang makikilala, no, na potensyal na makakarelasyon mo, lalo na kung itong person na to ay siya yung mag-open up sa'yo ng feelings niya. 'Di ba? Your blessing is the Four of Pentacles. So, ang blessing mo more on finances This is stability in your finances. I also see you having more income. This is stability. This is having a great foundation in your money. Some of you, mas makakaipon kayo. Maaring yung iba, meron kayong mabibili na property. Oo, pwedeng bahay, lupa. Let's see your money, career, finances. You have the Six of Swords. Oh, you're moving on. Yung iba sa inyo lilipat ng work. Or lilipat ng career na kung saan mas gusto nyo doon. Mas magiging masaya kayo doon. You will appreciate your new work, your new career, your new business. Mas ka doon, mas magagamit mo kasi yung talents mo, yung skill set mo, yung creativity mo. And then your love life. The Emperor. So, pwedeng ka-deal mo isang Aries. Son of Pentacles. So, for some of you, if you are in a relationship, I see structure, great foundation sa relationship ninyo. Kumbaga, medyo lang, alam mo yung relationship na napaka-practical. Yung tipong your needs are all met. Kumbaga, yung person mo can provide for you or you can provide for your person. Pero, hindi kayo ganun ka-emotionally open sa isa't isa or hindi kayo ganun kalambing sa isa't isa. So, I think that is something that you have to work on sa relationship ninyo. If you're single, I don't think you want a relationship right now. No? For some of you, you are focused on building a legacy. You are focused on building your career, your business, your power. Ayan, no? Some of you are investing. Oo, may mga investments dito. 8th house is other people's money. Yung pwedeng magte-take out ka ng loan. You also have moon in Cancer in the 5th house. Meron talaga ritong energy na may romantic connection, romantic relationship with someone na mag-open out ng mga flirtation. Oh my God! Meron mag-open up sa inyo, Virgo, or pwedeng kayo ay mag-open up sa isang tao ng feelings nyo towards them. And I think this will lead to an exciting relationship. decision. O, di ba? Ito yung opportunity for you kanina. Sometimes, the best decision is no decision at all. Ayan. Huwag mong ipilit kung hindi ka pa ready. Ganun lang yon. So, kung hindi ka pa ready, mahirap naman kasi na, madaliin ang isang desisyon para lang masabi na kapag-desisyon ka. Lalo na kung ito ay major decision. Kasi syempre, kailangan pag-isipan mong maigi kesa naman, madaliin mo tapos hindi pala maganda yung resulta. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. Bye.